English conversation at the restaurant, part 1. Entering the restaurant.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel.
Hi Sarah, it's great to see you today.
Hi Ollie. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking.
Sarah, I'm feeling a little hungry today.
Really? What would you like to eat?
I'm thinking about a big hamburger, crispy fries, and a cold soda.
Wow. That sounds delicious. Now I'm hungry too.
Sorry, but I think food is a great topic for today's English lesson.
I agree. Today we are going to learn how to speak English at a restaurant.
That's very useful because many English learners visit restaurants when they travel.
Exactly. This lesson will help you order food confidently.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for your support. Now let's start.
Sarah, I'm standing outside a restaurant. What should I do first?
First, open the door, walk inside, smile, and say, hello.
Yes, English doesn't have to be difficult.
After saying hello, what do I say?
You ask for a table. You can say,
A table for two, please.
a table for two, please.
Perfect. If you are alone, say,
A table for one, please.
what if there are four people?
Can simply say,
A table for four, please.
that's very simple.
Yes. Just change the number. Good evening. Welcome.
Good evening.
How many people?
A table for two, please.
Certainly. What's the first thing you need?
The menu.
Exactly. You can politely ask,
Can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you.
There are so many foods on the menu.
S. Usually, you'll see four sections. Starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
What is a starter?
A starter is a small meal before the main course. For example, soup, solid garlic bread.
I like tomato soup.
That's a great choice.
What is the main course?
It's the main meal. Examples include chicken, fish, pizza, pasta, hamburger, rice.
My favorite is a cheeseburger.
Mine is grilled chicken.
What is dessert?
Dessert is sweet food after the meal. For example, cake, ice cream, brownie, fruit salad.
Chocolate cake is my favorite.
Mine is vanilla ice cream.
And drinks?
Water, juice, tea, coffee, milk, or soda. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am.
Great. Now let's learn how to order food in English. English conversation at the restaurant, part 2. Ordering food and drinks.
What would you like to order?
I would like the tomato soup, please.
Certainly.
I'll have the vegetable salad, please.
Excellent choice.
And what would you like for your main course?
I'll have the cheeseburger with French fries, please.
Would you like regular fries or large fries?
Would you like to order large fries, please?
Perfect.
Would you like any vegetables with your meal?
Yes, please. I'd like some steamed vegetables.
Of course. What would you like to drink?
I'll have a large orange juice, please.
Would you like sugar with your tea?
Yes, 1 spoon of sugar, please.
Certainly. Let me repeat your order. 1 tomato soup, 1 vegetable salad, 1 cheeseburger with large fries, 1 grilled chicken with rice, steamed vegetables, 1 orange juice, and 1 hot tea. Is that correct?
Everything is perfect. Thank you.
Your food will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Sarah, this restaurant is very nice.
Yes, it's clean and comfortable.
I really like the atmosphere.
Me too. The staff are very friendly.
Do you often eat at restaurants?
Sometimes. I usually cook at home, but I enjoy eating out on weekends.
What's your favorite food?
I love grilled chicken and pasta. My favorite food is pizza, but today I wanted a cheeseburger.
That's a good choice. Here is your tomato soup.
Thank you.
And here is your vegetable salad.
Thank you very much.
Here is your cheeseburger with large fries.
Wow. It looks delicious.
And here is your grilled chicken with rice.
It smells wonderful.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
This soup is hot and tasty.
My salad is fresh and healthy.
I can't wait to eat my burger.
Me too. Everything looks amazing.
Let's enjoy our meal.
Yes! Bon appetit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is delicious. Thank you.
I'm glad you like it. Please let me know if you need anything.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Can I have some more ketchup, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it right away.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have another glass of water, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. The service here is really good. Thank you so much.
Have you finished your meal?
Yes, we have.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Wow. They have chocolate cake. Sarah, they also have ice cream and apple pie. Ollie, I would like a slice of chocolate cake, please. Sarah, I'll have a bowl of vanilla ice cream, please.
Excellent choices.
The chocolate cake was amazing. The ice cream was creamy and delicious. I'm completely full now.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir?
Can we have the bill, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it in a moment.
Here is your bill.
Thank you.
The total is $42.
I'll pay by credit card.
Certainly.
Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Here is your card and your receipt.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your excellent service.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
We hope to see you again soon.
We will. Thank you. English conversation at the restaurant part 4 review, role play and ending.
Let's quickly review the useful English expressions we learned today.
Great idea.
What do you say when you enter a restaurant?
Hello.
How do you ask for a table?
A table for 2, please.
Excellent. How do you ask for the menu?
Can I have the menu, please?
Perfect. And how do you order food?
I would like the cheeseburger, please.
Or you can also say,
I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
that's right.
What do you say if you need more water?
Excuse me. Can I have some more water, please?
Very good. And how do you ask for the bill?
Can we have the bill, please?
Excellent. You're ready to eat at a restaurant in English.
Good evening. Welcome.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Practice these sentences every day to improve your English speaking skills.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every conversation helps you become more confident.
Keep practicing with your friends and family.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and share it with your friends.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.